let's look at a scenario where I'm a 5-year, 10-year down the road going to sell my business.
Right.
Am I better to stay with a single location and
Great question.
dialed in as possible?
Great question.
I've got one location, I'm doing 6 million. Or should I have 3 locations doing 6 million or 6 locations doing 12 million? What's the scenario that we should look at?
It depends. My least favorite answer. If you're going to run it and make it as profitable as possible, as simple to transfer as possible, a single shop that's as healthy financially and otherwise as possible would be preferred because it's less complicated. If, however, there's some leverage that you want to apply to the multi-shop final product, example, if you're going to grow each of those 3 locations to be the size of the single one, you're 3 times better off or more. If you're going to take those 3 and meet with a couple of friends and put them all together and go up another notch on the private equity scale, then you need the more shops, the more EBITDA you have, the better. So it kind of comes back to how far can you dial in the one shop you have from a production, but also a profit standpoint. What profit are you looking for to need at the end? And can you get there with one? Or is there some reason to have more than one? I'm not anti-multi-shop, but don't complicate your life by having the same EBITDA at the end with 3 stores if you can dial it in on one. However, 3 stores at that same level as the one is worth a heck of a lot more. So a lot of it comes back to what do you want to be?